Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the only way mod and media player plugin are installed. This gives the system the playback hooks it needs. Once done, make sure your VR headset is active and tracking so input mapping works reliably. Open Bonelab and load only way. Use the developer console to confirm the media folder path. You do this because correct file placement and tracking prevent load errors and let the player enumerate your media immediately. Next, you load and configure playback. Open the Only Way interface and go to the Media Player tab, then press Scan to populate your files. You should assign playback controls to your preferred VR buttons or keyboard so you can play, pause, and seek without opening menus. Once mapped, set loop and default volume and configure spatial audio, adjusting distance, attenuation, and stereo mode, because these choices determine how sound behaves in world and affect immersion. And finally, you spawn the media player object in the scene and attach it to an anchor or your hand, then press play to verify audio and video. If you use multiple players, enable sync mode and tweak latency offset to keep audio and visuals aligned. If playback fails or stutters, check file codecs and paths, inspect the console log for errors, and restart Bonelab after changing files. This simple restart often clears cache issues and forces a fresh media scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.